Hi, my name is Margaret Ingalls. Today's date is May 4th, 2021, and this is the backside of my sheet of paper with the anatomical structures I'm going to be going over for the kidney dissection today. So first we start off and we have our kidney here. So coming off the hilum of the kidney, which is the indentation here, excuse me, you have the renal artery vein, and then the superior portion of the ureter comes off of here as well, and then the ureter goes to the urinary bladder, excuse me. And if we open up our kidney here, we can see the this outer part here of the kidney is called the renal cortex, and then the inner structure of the kidney where the renal pyramids are located is the renal medulla. So we have these pyramid structures on the insides of the kidneys, and those are separated by renal columns. So you'll see like a pyramid-like kind of striations and structure in the kidney here. Then the inner surface of the kidney, it's called the renal sinus. So sinus is that hollow, means a hollow space. So we have the renal sinus, as you can see on this side as well. And then we also have ducts that come into this, the common area of the kidney. We have the major calyces come from each pyramid and then into the major calyce, which is the larger duct that then helps bring the urine out of the kidneys. Then we have the renal pelvis, which is this larger area down here, and I already mentioned the superior portion of the ureter. So the artery, the vein, and the ureter all come off this part of the hilum. I thought just opening up the kidney, it was super interesting. It was a little hard for me to really differentiate the pyramid specifically, but you can see the darker colored areas of the pyramid. You can see the definition of the cortex, which is really interesting. And every time I've taken anatomy, I guess a couple times now, and every time learning about the kidneys, just everything that's happening at that level where the urine is being made and filtered and the ions are getting absorbed or end up being secreted by the body, that this is all happening. And excuse me, sorry, I was holding my kidney up down. And this small structure is just really fascinating to me. You know, it's interesting what our bodies are able to do, and also interesting that we have found out all of this information. And it really made me, just as I was reading the chapter, start to think about, you know, meals I eat in a day and how much I'm hydrating and how then my body is processing all of that and creating urine, and whether my urine is more dilute or less dilute. So it's just very interesting how two of these little guys can really regulate so much in our bodies, not only our output of urine, but then also regulating our blood pressure and making sure that our bodies are clean of toxins. So it's very interesting. So that is my kidney dissection. Thanks so much.